You are flying. It's perfect. The gap is clean, the split eyes is tight, and then your drone just smacks the ground and flips upside down. And now you have a choice. You can either walk half a mile through bushes to pick it up like a total loser, or you press the switch and your drone flips itself back over like magic. That's turtle mode, also known as flip over after crash. And if you don't have it set up yet, you are missing a single best quality of life feature in FPV. In this video, I am going to show you exactly what it is and how to set it up in Betaflight very easily. Let's go. Alright, so here's the deal. Turtle mode uses your motors to flip the drone over when it's upside down. But for that to work, your motors need to spin in reverse. And that means we gotta tweak one thing in Betaflight. Don't worry, it's easy. Connect your drone to Betaflight and let's start. Step 1. Motors tab. Remove the props before you even look at this tab. I'm serious. A spinning prop at full throttle will cut you deep. So props off. Now in Motors tab, you will see an option DShot 300 or DShot 600. If it's showing something else, then click on it and set it to DShot protocol. If it's already set to DShot protocol, then you can skip this step. Because in turtle mode, the motors need to spin backward to lift the upside down drone. And your ESC must support DShot protocol. If you are using older protocol like OneShot, turtle mode won't work. So check that first. Step 2. Modes tab. Go to the Modes tab in Betaflight. Scroll down until you see flip over after crash. Click add range. Now flip the switch on your transmitter that you want to use for turtle mode. The slider in Betaflight will jump to that position automatically. Adjust the range so it covers the switch position. Hit save and that's it. You are done. Now how to use turtle mode. Disarm the drone, turn on turtle mode, arm the drone again, use the joystick to flip it upright. Disarm the drone, turn off turtle mode, fly normally again. Boom, turtle mode just saved me a walk. If you want more FPV tips like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you got a turtle mode fail story, drop it in the comment. I'll see you in the next one.